Idioms are special English phrases that native speakers use every day. The words together have a different meaning than each word separately. For example, raining cats and dogs does not mean animals falling from the sky. It means very heavy rain. Learning idioms helps you understand real conversations and speak like a native speaker. The 3 steps are simple. First, learn the idioms, then practice using them, and finally speak fluently in conversations. Idioms are expressions where the meaning is different from the actual words used. You cannot understand an idiom by knowing the dictionary meaning of each word. For example, kick the bucket does not mean hitting a bucket with your foot. It means to die. Each language has its own idioms, so English idioms are special to English. You must learn idioms as complete phrases, not word by word. Turn a blind eye means to pretend you do not see something wrong, even when you know about it. Feeling under the weather means not feeling well or slightly sick. Beat around the bush means talking about many things without saying the important point directly. Read the riot act means giving someone a strong warning about their behavior. Spill the beans means telling a secret by accident. The proof is in the pudding means you judge something by its results, not promises. Turn a blind eye. The teacher saw students cheating on the test, but turned a blind eye because it was the last exam. Under the weather, Sarah called her boss and said she felt under the weather, so she needed to stay home and rest. Beat around the bush. Stop beating around the bush and just tell me if you got the job or not. Spill the beans. Please don't spill the beans about the surprise party we planned for tomorrow. Break a leg. The director told all the actors break a leg before they went on stage for the big performance. Piece of cake. Don't worry about the quiz, it will be a piece of cake after all our practice. Hit the nail on the head. Your explanation hit the nail on the head. That's exactly what I was trying to say. Cost an arm and a leg. I wanted that designer bag, but it cost an arm and a leg, so I bought a cheaper one. Break a leg means good luck, especially before a performance or important event. Cost a pretty penny means something is very expensive. Hit the nail on the head means being exactly right about something. Under the weather means feeling sick or not well. Spill the beans means accidentally revealing a secret that someone wanted to keep hidden. Practice these common idioms by filling in the blanks. Burn the midnight oil means studying or working very late into the night. On cloud 9 means feeling extremely happy and excited. Face the music means accepting the consequences of your actions. Heart of gold describes someone who is very kind and generous even when they don't have much money. Practice completing these idioms. Spill the beans means revealing a secret by accident. Break a leg means wishing someone good luck. Under the weather describes feeling sick or ill. Costs an arm and a leg means something is very expensive. Hit the nail on the head means being exactly correct about something.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.